Hey everyone, it's Norm here from International Motor Cars. Now we just took in this absolutely stunning 2019 Porsche Panamera Sport Turismo GTS. And the cool thing about this is, as you can see, it's got this absolutely stunning titanium, unobtainium welding exhaust. And it sounds like nothing else I've ever heard before, especially on something like this. So, first step, let's unlock this badass wagon, climb on board, get inside this beautifully appointed interior, and let's start it up. So just wanted to clarify, this is actually simply a muffler delete with titanium tips. And this work was done by a company called Unobtainium Welding here in the Calgary area. I've seen them all over social media. It seems like they do really nice work. And I will attest that this Panamera GTS sounds even better in person. The camera did not pick up on that audio at all. This thing pops and crackles and bangs. And when it's under load, it sounds even better. This thing is an absolutely incredible family wagon. This thing is, I will say, is pretty badass. So that is just a quick startup on this Panamera with muffler delete and this unobtainium welding tips. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and we will catch you guys on the next one.